Oh, whoa, look at the front seat. I didn't even notice this. It comes customized to take a nap down in. Obviously.
I'm currently winning. Oh, I lost. All right, next car up on the lot, the 2009 Volkswagen Tiguan SE. Current bids at $1,050. Anthony.
What?
It's sold at $1,950. I bid up to $1,800 for it, but my primary objective here is a 2008 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. If not, I'm gonna be left without a vehicle this week. Well, those were on approval too. That's another thing. Even though they both I just lost on both of those, they both might show back up next week because someone didn't approve on the bid. Or better yet, the person who just beat me on that, they don't approve on his, and he doesn't agree to paying a little bit more, so they'll call me and ask me if I want to pay a little more and get the car. And $150 more, next thing I know the car's mine because I got outbid on my Sport Trac, and now I need a fallback plan.
Yeah.
It's unlikely, but it's a possibility. It's actually kind of likely. Decline you are not important at this point in time. Head front corner, yeah. Like I said, we got a car, you guys, that's another thing you need to really consider. There's always next week.
Yeah.
There's 100
every week.
Someone is very insistent on trying to call me right now.
What the heck is that?
I don't know. They call one more time. I will answer just to appease whatever scammer it most likely is. I'm gonna call them back later. 43 minutes in.
With copart.
Oh, Copart's already trying to get a hold of me, you guys.
What is it? Asking you about a car.
Seller came back with a minimum of $1,400. Let me know if on one of the cars I was bidding on. They're already getting a hold of me. They want $1,400 on a car that I was bidding on. I'm not entirely sure which car that is, but I'll get a hold of them as soon as I'm done with this Ford Explorer Sport Trac. 411-4170. Let's see. I got it was an approval bid. You know what? I bet it was the Tiguan. I think I cut out after $1,050, and they came back for a $1,400 minute. Like I said, they might not sell for approval. The guy might not want to jump up his price. And honestly, I could probably jump my price up to maybe $1,250 and ask if they'll take that. So I got a backup strategy. But we're getting this Ford Explorer Sport Trac, hopefully. That's cool. Not only that, I ignore their call, which is very persistent in them to call me twice, but they sent me a text.
That's crazy.
This shows there's always hope. Unfortunately, within this 4 minutes I'm waiting for this car to show up, they're already going to be asking the person before me the same question. And that person might very well say yes.
This is your truck?
It's my truck. We're at $1,900. Please stay off of it, you guys. Ah.
What's your limit? Gosh. Come on, you got this. It's a lot to fix too. Did you win it?
Oh my gosh. Well, you guys, I just won the car for $2,700. My budget was $2,400.
No!
I guess we gotta figure out something. What's $300? We can come up with $300. Had to have it. Couldn't say no. I mean, as much as I didn't have the money in my wallet, my finger kept hitting the button. My body spoke for itself.
Never do that. No.
So we got ourselves a 2008 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. I don't even have that much money, you guys. I have that much money coming tomorrow. You have 3 business days to buy these cars, people.
It's good to have friends with money, right?
That was good to have friends with money.
All right.
Guys, off to Copart.
We're gonna go get it. There he goes, driving away. Or so he thought.
Alright, so we got ourselves our 2008 Ford Explorer Sport Trac that we were also kind of fortunate to win. And believe it or not, we drove here in a 2002 Ford Explorer Sport Trac that we bought from Copart to pick up our other Copart vehicles. Now, straight to the junkyard, let's get some things put together.
So as you may remember in the last video when we reviewed this very same Sport Trac, we noticed a really bad transmission leak coming from the transmission coolant lines where they connect to the radiator.
So, these are what we came for. Yeah. Pictures to prove it. good. It cost me $20. One little tool. Getting them?
Yeah, they're both out.
Alright. Clear?
Yep, clear.
And that's right here where it's leaking the coolant. And as I'm assuming, it obviously has a bad seal around these little edges. So it's each one of these where it's leaking. Like this goes on, it helps prevent it from popping off. But at the same time, it's still leaking profusely on both of them for some reason. So what do you fix on here, Anthony?
We are replacing the transmission coolant lines. So start by removing this, and then we'll show you what else to do. But so right now we just take off these little bastards. Okay, so those ones were on the outside, and we got two of those that are on the center, so I'll be able to figure that out, of course. It looks like we got one right there.
Have you broken any yet?
I don't do that, you do.
I'm not gonna complain too much since this is my truck. I don't want you to break it. Or lose it.
It's a different story. I lose stuff. Lose stuff all the time. Hold on, I'll grab that. I'll find it. I'll find it, I promise. I'll get it after this comes off, okay?
It's always the plastic pieces that take the longest.
Have like anything I can put under there? Have two of them?
Kind of. Look in the toolbox.
Yeah. Look at that. Fucking bar. Alright.
Use what you got. Those boat's been over there for a couple days as well. If I remember correctly, I had a $900 buy it now. Maybe after we're done fixing this up, we could go pick up the boat.
Yeah.
Back it right up, test it out.
Yes.
Just kidding.
Alright. Alright, finally, we can take this thing off.
Hopefully.
Finally.
Hopefully.
Finally.
Oh, look how pretty it is.
Nice.
Anthony won't even trust me to touch the grill to his truck.
Never. I still need to take the bumper off.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
We could get to it right here, but and that's, yeah.
No, we can't.
Yeah, we can. It's right here. This is just a rubber flat that just moves. Moves out of the way. See?
Right. If you're comfortable.
That's right there. Clip, clip.
A delicious looking cup down there. That is my transmission fluid.
So they're there. I feel comfortable getting it right there so we don't have to take the whole thing off. All right, we're underneath Tony's truck right now, and we are about to pull these old lines for the transmission and put on the new ones that we got from the junkyard. How much money are you into this truck so far?
$37.50. No, I think only about 36 right now. Yeah, because I saved some money paying with cash and cashier's check. So about $3,600 deep. These new lines cost us $11 whole at the junkyard.
Heck yeah.
AutoZone would have specialty ordered them for me for only $150.
Talk about saving money.
Not to mention the person already removed the engine in the truck at the junkyard, so the lines are right there waiting for us.
First line's gonna leak. Okay. Undo. I always do. Why isn't it moving? Oh, got it. Cool.
This doesn't even appear to be leaking.
Does it?
One down, one to go.
There we are. Leaking. Okay, got them out.
Did you?
Yeah.
Got that. Don't worry about it. I got it.
Okay, so I pulled that off already.
There you go.
for sure.
Oh.
All right. Let me remove that. Now, if that drains, I can remove this one. Okay. There we are. Whew. All right. Cool. Those are off. Pull them through here. We got that one, and then we got this guy. All right, let me do my. Oh, there.
I saw it. I saw it move.
Oh. Hey guys, still working on this one bolt. Fucking hand twisted off. Oh.
Here, I'll hold that for dear life.
Oh, my freaking hand is seizing up. My damn mother's arthritis is hereditary.
It probably is. No joke. Did you get that line completely out?
No, not yet.
Yeah.
All right, so it goes over the frame right here in between that. That's where hoses are. And so I'll just get a visual of where and how these are ran. So then when I put the new ones in, they're ran the same way and it doesn't get caught in the engine anywhere. But yeah, so that's where that is.
Right here. Anthony got it! Simple as that.
Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss a thing.
All right, so we had to take this off because we don't want to take the risk of it flying off while we're heading home.
Junkyard was a bust, so we're gonna have to go through a different one. As I get extremely close to that one.
Stay away from it. All right.